Hello students, in this video we are going to see Cbse class 9 maths, the first chapter number system, the second part of the video. We are going to see the first example in this video. So in the previous video we discussed about the different number systems. We saw about the natural numbers and whole numbers, integers, and about the rational numbers. Okay. So natural numbers we saw it is from 1, 2 and so on. Whole numbers we have 0, 1, 2 and so on. Integers you have from negative also. So minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and so on. For rational numbers we had numbers in ratios, that is, or in fractions. So where we had it in the form P by Q, and we saw that Q is not equal to 0. So this is a quick recap of what we saw in the previous video. So here, the first example, let's look at the question. Are the following statements true or false? Give reasons for your answers. The first statement, every whole number is a natural number. Second one, every integer is a rational number. Every rational number is an integer. So we have to say whether these three statements are true or false, and we'll have to give the necessary reason also. Let's look at the first question. Every whole number is a natural number. So whole number, what you have? 0, 1, 2 and so on. What about natural numbers? Natural numbers you have from 1, 2 and so on. See, every whole number is a natural number. That is not possible. Okay. So here this is going to be false. Okay. So every whole number is not a natural number. But you can say that every natural number is a whole number. Every natural number can be a whole number. Okay. So this is because the reason is that 0 is a whole number, but it is not a natural number. 0 is a whole number, but not a natural number. So this is the reason for this first question. Let's look into the second question. Every integer is a rational number. So what is an integer? Integer you will have minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and so on. Okay. And what is a rational number? So a rational number will be any number of the form P by Q. Can I write minus 2 of the form P by Q? Yes. When I have the denominator to be 1, that is, if the Q is going to be 1, any integer can be a rational number. Any integer can be a rational number. Okay. So because we can write anything of the form m by 1. So the answer is what? The answer is true, because every integer m can be written in the form m by n, hence it is a rational number. Hence it is a rational number. Have you understood, children? Yes. So now coming into the last question. Every rational number is an integer. So just now we saw that every integer is a rational number. So every integer is a rational number. Yes, that is possible. But is every rational number an integer? No. That is possible only when Q is equal to 1. Okay. So if we have a rational number of the form P by Q, where Q cannot be equal to 1, then you cannot say it to be an integer. So hence this statement is going to be false. Okay. Because it does not hold true if the denominator is not equal to 1. The denominator is not equal to 1. If the denominator is equal to 1, then you can call it to be an integer. But if it is not equal to 1, it cannot be an integer. Okay. So hence this last statement is false. So have you understood this, children? Yes. So we covered example 1 in this video. We will see example 2 in the next video. Okay. Please look through the videos one by one. without skipping, so that you will not have any doubts while learning the concepts and while using the concepts in the further videos also. Okay, thank you children.